Okay, so I have figured this out. Not figured this out. I came up with an idea. I'm thinking that these screws are making this loose screws. I put them on there to see, so I could see if that's it. So is one on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and figure that out and see if this works, and see if this is it or not. Let's just see. Medium first. And there's that annoying kitchen sound. My dad making something or washing dishes. Now high and see what happens. Tighten the globe. Making sure the globe's tight. And now oh heck no. Oops. Got my hand knocked on the blade arms, but that didn't hurt. That didn't really hurt. All right. I was about to take off the blades, but came up with an idea, so I need to tighten these. This is gonna have to be a video of how to fix a noisy ceiling fan for dummies. So that's why I'm making, and that's what I'm calling, since I'm making so many tutorials and working my way through this. All right, I tightened the blades. Trying to wiggle at and see if it's it. Maybe it does only do it when the motor housing's on. Well, I'm now gonna go ahead, take the blades off, put the motor housing back on, and then make the sound with this screw with an object and see if that's it, because it sounded like this. Sounded something like this. So, see you in the next one.